You probably have seen a lot of apps and are using a bunch of them yourself, like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, where you constantly swipe up and down and change the views or change videos or whatever you're doing, or you probably seen someone else do it. Now, creating a swipe up view in Flutter involves using a page view widget with vertical scrolling. This is similar to using a UI collection view in iOS. Let's go through step by step on how to get this started. So now I have the iPhone simulator. I have an Android emulator ready. Let's create a project called as Flutter Create Swipe Up Views. Once that project is created, let's go inside the project, Swipe Up Views, and then I'm going to open that particular Swipe Up view in Visual Studio Code. And I'll go to my library main.file. I'm going to delete everything here except for until here. Let me get rid of everything here. Let's have just this where I have my app and my app extends stateless widget. Now inside this, I'm going to add some code where I'm overriding the widget, the build function, widget build function, where I am passing a material app, giving a title as swipe up views, theme as theme data, primary swatch is colors blue, and then I have my swipe up views here. I can quickly say quick fix and create this swipe up view here. Now inside this swipe up view, I'm going to change this and add list of colors here, which are colors.red, blue, green, yellow. So these are my different pages. That's why I'm added these colors here. And inside my widget build override function, I'm creating a scaffold with PageView.builder, scroll direction, vertical. So since I want to swipe up or swipe down, then I am using an item count colors.length itemBuilder return container, and inside this container my color is this based on the index that is picked. Then inside that I have text which tells me which page index I am at, and I'm giving some style here. Very simple app. Save this. I'm gonna get rid of this, don't need that, and that kind of perfect. My entire application is done. Let's go to here and let's do Flutter run. Bring my simulator and my emulator right in front, and first I'm going to pick to run on the number one, which is Android, and runs on my emulator, and I can just swipe 1 2 3 4 5 6 pages that I've created, swipe up or swipe down. Next, if I want to do the same on iOS, I'll run it, and this time I'll pick the iPhone simulator. It's gonna compile everything, link it, and build it and install it on the iPhone simulator. And we have the same application here on both different devices. As you can see, pretty easy. All the code that we need is page view kind of, and the scroll direction which says which direction you want to scroll, and build those views right in there. You can add whatever you want. I've added colors, but whatever you want to add, you can add into these pages and load them with data or anything. If you have any questions on these, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.